Are you ready to open up your presents? Okay, Pippa's ready to open up her birthday presents. She just had her birthday party at Kinder City at Vista Mall General Trias. Are you ready to open up your presents and say thank you to everyone who attended your birthday party? She's like, just hurry up, Daddy. I want to open up my birthday presents. We have Lola and Lolo here. Say thank you, Lola and Lolo, for coming to my birthday party.
You are welcome, Pippa.
Who's the big teddy bear? Pippa got that big teddy bear from Kinder City. That was one of the presents from Kinder City. You like your big teddy bear?
Mayor teddy bear.
Oh, that's Mayor, huh?
Yes.
This is all Pippa's presents right here. She's gonna sit on it right now. She's gonna open all those presents. You ready, baby?
Ito from Ate Dulce.
That's from Ate Dulce, yes.
Yes.
Very nice Mickey Mouse bag from, what is the name brand? Anello.
Happy first birthday to Pippa from John Lord.
Alright, Pippa, let's go ahead and open this.
What is a teddy bear?
What do we have there, Pippa? You like it, Pippa? Yay! So thank you to
John Lord. Next present from Kambal and Prince. Whoa!
Whoa, what do we have there? Alright.
Happy baby.
So who is this from? Say thank you to
From Kambal and Prince. Thank you. Next.
Okay, next.
From Jacob.
From Jacob.
Jacob.
Oh, Jacob.
They give you a chocolate.
They gave us chocolate. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, wow.
I didn't know that they were...
Yummy, yummy.
That is for Daddy.
Arlene.
That's for Daddy only.
Thank you, Jacob. Okay, next is...
No name.
No name? Okay, so whoever gave us this bag right here, we're opening up that present, so... Pippa, look, we're opening up one of your other presents. She wants the chocolate.
Uh-oh, wow, that's pretty.
Whoa, what do we have there? An outfit. Look, Pippa.
Look at that.
Yes.
Cute.
Thank you, whoever gave that to Pippa.
From Ate Noe and Ate Gail.
Okay. Let's see what this is. Looks like it's a gift from SM too.
Oh.
Alright, nice.
Dress. Pink one and yellow.
Yellow, yay.
Beautiful.
Pippa, do you like your presents? Huh? She said no. I just want my chocolate.
From Ate Gail and Ate Noe.
Okay.
Next, this is from Chanel.
Alright.
Yeah. Babe.
Alright. We got some
That's
bibs.
You have a new bib. And
That's because you eat a lot.
Oh, ipit.
Uh-huh.
And then, ang cute naman.
So you have so many berets now, huh?
Oh, Tweety
Wow.
Bird.
Yes, thank you.
That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna see you wearing that.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Pippa.
Thank you, Chanel. Bato family.
Bato and family. All right.
Yes. You say thank
Wow.
you, Pippa. Wow. Oh.
All right. Got a shirt. It's an out. You got another outfit. See. Look at that, Pippa.
Thank you, Bato.
You say thank you, Tito Bato.
Oh, that's nice.
She says thank you. I'm eating chocolate first, okay?
I'm busy.
Yeah.
Cute naman pang ano bahay ni Pippa.
Mhm.
From Ate Ichel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pippa, look mo Pippa yung gift mo, oh. Pippa. Wow, oh, another OOTD.
Another outfit. Whoa.
You like Pippa? You like it, Pippa? No, I'm busy. Next. Oh, this is from Ate Jeka. Wow, Ate Jeka.
What is it?
Look, Pippa. Headband and crown.
Wow, that's good, Pippa.
Show the
Wow,
camera.
ganda. Oh, look, Pippa.
Oh yeah.
I like
You
to
like
see
that, huh?
Oh.
Wow.
She put the chocolate down for that.
You like that, Pippa? Huh?
Say thank you.
Say Ate Jeka. Thank you, Ate Jeka. And wow, you have a outfit again. Look at, ang cute ng ipit, oh. And pants.
Mm-hmm.
And wow, you're so sexy there, Pippa.
Uh-oh. I don't know about the baby being sexy.
And shorts.
Mm-hmm.
And is it?
She can't
Thank
wait.
you, Ate Jeka.
Let's see your headband from Ate Jeka.
Yeah, you have 3 headbands, huh, Pippa?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Wow. Wow.
Tell your mom I got you yawning. Mm-hmm. So pretty, baby. Look at the camera, baby. Pippa. She's like, what else? What else do we have? What else?
Don't so excited, baby, okay? Look at the camera first.
Pippa, yay. Say thank you.
Kuya Aki, Ate Jess, Ann, and Ate Jesslyn.
Okay.
Oh, you have a plate. Look at the plates, Pippa.
Mm-hmm. Let me see the plates.
And keep it. Oh, you have a sippy cup.
Sippy cup, yay.
You have a lots of ipit, Pippa. See? Hello Kitty.
For the people who are living in the United States, the ibit is barrette. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Not ipis, but ibit.
Thank you, Ate Jess and Kuya Aki and Ate Jesslyn.
Hello Kitty.
Wow,
Oh, wow.
you have a
You
Hello
have your
Kitty
purse.
spoon and fork.
Mhm.
Thank you. Eto na lang. This is from Lara.
That's like a pillow, stuffed animal.
Mhm.
Yes. And then toys. Thank
plate.
you,
Stack and play.
Laura.
Say thank you, Laura. This is no name right there? That's no name.
No name.
Okay, whoever gave this present to Pippa, thank you.
Pillow.
It's a pillow.
Wow.
Daddy can use that too.
You say
And
mama.
mommy.
Oh, it says mama. Okay. Look at all your gifts. You're such a lucky little girl.
Yep. You're so blessed, huh?
Don't forget to
Pippa?
share with Mayor the teddy. Mayor the big bear.
This from Lola and Lola.
Oh,
Say
wow.
thank you.
Baby, can I borrow some money?
Here.
With
No.
interest.
Say thank you, Lolo and Lola.
And this is from Sky and Castle.
Yay, thank you very much.
Wow.
Pippa.
And this is from your Ninang Floor.
Yay, awesome forever.
Wow.
This is from Tyra and Gary from the UK. Nice little dress. They gave you that dress, that nice little sundress, and this skirt. Alright. So Pippa, say thank you everyone
Thank
for
you,
all
say
your
everyone.
presents.
Eating time.
Eating time na kita.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank
Say
you to
bye-bye.
everyone.
Lolo and Lola need to eat.